8 weeks ago, we kicked off our ventilator project, and we're really excited with the outcome. When we kicked this project off, we really had two things in mind. One is to really address the supply chain issue that has been very evident during COVID and for PPE in general and for devices like ventilators. And two is really to push the envelope on innovation that we felt is needed in time of crisis and what's going on with COVID today. So the outcome of that has been really exciting, and my team has worked really hard around the clock with this and many other projects, and I'd like to thank them. I'd like to thank again Cambridge Memorial Hospital, BNR for helping us through this and really helping us with this project throughout the last 8 weeks. And our team is really excited to show you what the outcome has been.
This is our Eclipse ventilator card format with the main enclosure featuring an HMI touchscreen for the operating panel where all the setup and operating functions are performed. Our patient monitoring screen features prominent pressure flow and volume life graphs, as well as delivered breath data at the top and current configuration settings at the bottom, with alarm pop-up notifications that would show up to alert to adverse conditions with the patients. One of our design objectives was a fully featured ventilator, and by leveraging the flexibility of a commercial automation control system, we were able to use off-the-shelf components, and with an open architecture, we were easily able to adapt to current and future requirements to treating COVID patients or otherwise. Second consideration that was on our minds was the familiarity and ease of use of the interface, which is based on existing commercial ventilators. All major operating modes are currently supported, including controlled mandatory ventilation or AC mode, SIM-V mode with both pressure and volume controlled breaths, as well as pressure support ventilation with flow or pressure triggering for all mandatory or support breaths, as well as all biphasic modes, including APRV and CPAP, of course. The operating push-button panel is meant for quick access to attending staff and includes functionality like alarm muting, alarm resetting, as well as momentary adjustments such as increased O2, suctioning support, as well as some respiratory maneuvers for weaning trials, including inspiratory pause, expiratory pause, and manual inspiration. A full-featured condition monitoring with adjustable limits is a crucial part of monitoring the patient and is fully implemented. Visual condition and status indication indicates to the attending staff from far away, including coded audible alarms on any changing conditions with the patients. Backup ventilation modes are also fully implemented, including apnea ventilation, as well as occlusion detection and component failure backup modes. The unit is put into operation via a few simple screens. First one being the mode selection and patient data with its pertinent core parameters for the selected mode, as well as separate apnea configuration settings and alarming limits. Here's the alarm screen with the alarm logs and display of current alarms that are active. All patient data as well as the instantaneous data and all events are logged also and stored on the unit. So this is our Model 1 ventilator with an in-house built modulating air compressor that is mounted here with a HEPA filtration intake of ambient air, which is then mixed with the oxygen that's either supplied from tanks below or external connection from the hospital. Now Lucas will show you the second model.
Thanks, Filip. Both models have the exact same control system, with various adaptations such as this unit, which has a dual gas supply for onboard bottles for great portability. It also has a dual gas connections on the side of the unit. If you look inside, we can see that it has a mixing chamber for combining breathing gas mix and proportional valve controls for breath delivery. Common to both units, we also have a UPS battery backup, which is ideal for operations such as patient transfers and maintaining operation. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative. To contact us, please visit our website at eclipseautomation.com.